Jai Sri Ram. Often we use a computer to take a printout most of the time. But during emergency, sometimes we need to print through mobile. So today I'm going to explain how we can take printout through a mobile phone. Let's begin. Here I'm going to use a Type-C OTG cable. Here we are going to use a user-friendly app, that is NocoPrint. So let's type NocoPrint. As you can see, I have installed NocoPrint. There are so many NocoPrint like apps. I prefer NocoPrint here. Okay, as it has installed, let me open this. As you see, the NocoPrint app has launched. So I'm going to click on documents. Here there are many documents. I'm going to select one. And you can see this document has some many pages. So I'm going to print this document. Before that, we need a OTG cable. We will connect the OTG cable to the USB connector of the printer and the other end with the mobile phone. Okay, let's continue the printing of document. We are going to print page number 2. Here on the above, we'll click on print settings. You can select so many printing options, multiple page printing options, 2-in-1, 4-in-1, and then over that again we have clicked on print settings, and you can see we are going to print page number 2, but here you can see we are not able to locate our printer. So we need a process which is a very simple process. Just go to setting options. Here you have a option like Bluetooth and device. Click over that. Here you have OTG options. Select this, and here you can see your printer is highlighting HP LaserJet M1005. Again, we will move to the tab. Now we are going to print this document. Let's see. Okay. Okay, selected. Okay, then range. We have given page number 2. And let's press OK. And let's give print command. Okay. And the process printing begins. And here is the print. Thank you and subscribe for more updates.